Welcome to Georgetown Automotive Collision.
In today's episode, we are working on a 2008 Volkswagen EOS. The vehicle comes to us with severe clear coat damage to the hood, tops, and trunk lid. After making repairs, the vehicle was moved to the paint booth for masking. The vehicle was then sprayed with a deep black color coat. After color coat and clear coat was applied, the vehicle was then cut and buffed. The vehicle is now ready to be delivered back to the customer.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe and like our page to see more from Georgetown Technical College Automotive Collision and Refinish.